What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your Instagram app is not launching or otherwise not working properly on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you're experiencing issues when the Instagram app is not opening, crashing on launch, or behaving erratically, don't worry. There are several steps you can take to resolve this issue on your iPhone. First, it's essential to determine whether the problem lies with the Instagram app itself or with Instagram servers. To verify the Instagram server status, head to this down detector page for Instagram. It will be linked in the video description, as well as our guide. This page provides real-time reports on outages. If there is a significant spike in reported issues, it's likely an issue with Instagram servers, so you'll need to wait until the service is restored. If the servers are operating normally, then make sure that the Instagram app is up to date. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve operational issues. To check for Instagram updates, open up the App Store application on your iPhone and tap on the search bar icon in the lower right corner of your screen. In the search bar, search for Instagram and see if any updates are available to install. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and the most stable version of the app. If updating did not fix the problem, then the next step is to address potential issues with the app on your device. One effective method is to offload the Instagram app. Offloading the app removes it from your device while retaining your data, allowing you to reinstall a fresh version of the app without losing your information. To offload Instagram, open up your iPhone Settings app. From here, scroll down and select General before accessing your iPhone storage settings. It may take a couple of seconds to load your storage information and then search for Instagram. Select the app icon and then tap on Offload app. After offloading, tap Reinstall app to download a fresh version from the App Store. Another basic yet often overlooked step is to restart your iPhone. Restarting can fix a multitude of glitches and should always be one of your first troubleshooting steps. To restart your iPhone, follow these steps in quick succession. Press the volume up button. Press the volume down button and then press and hold the power button until you see the drag to slide off screen. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. Lastly, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on again. A successful restart will potentially resolve any issues causing the Instagram app to malfunction. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.